This is Demetrios.
And this is Stephanos.
And this is Cooking with Stephanos.
And today we're going to be making Stephanos' delicious French toast.
Let's get cooking.
To begin with, we're going to heat up our stove to a medium 7. And we're going to take a tablespoon. We're going to take a tablespoon of butter. And we're going to add it in the pan. And then let it melt. Did you know if you move the pan around while the stove is on, the butter will melt and it will also spread around? Now let's crack 2 eggs in the bowl. With your fork, you smash both of the yolks, and then you're gonna whisk. Now since I'm done doing that, I'm gonna turn the stove down so the butter doesn't burn. Now, I'm gonna add about a half a cup of milk. Or you can just measure by heart. And then some vanilla extract.
And Stephanos, what does the vanilla extract do for the French toast?
Gives it like it almost tastes like cake, and it's like really, and it helps out.
And what was that you just put in there?
Some cinnamon. Now I'm gonna take this thick slice of French bread. I'm gonna put it on one side. I'm gonna dip it in here, put it on one side, put it on the other, and then I'm gonna add it in the pan. It's gonna be delicious. Now I'm gonna cut some strawberries. Oh. This is gonna give a good, nice, fruity taste to the French toast. You know, while I'm at it, I'm gonna add some cinnamon sugar to this bowl. So when those are done cooking, I'm gonna put some cinnamon sugar on it. You'll see later. Now I'm gonna flip them. Oh. Oh, this one's stuck together. Oh, look at that nice crust on these. Oh, two at once. Oh, look at that amazing crust. Oh, let's check on them. It looks ready, but I'm gonna keep them a little bit longer so they can develop a crust like this. Let's check on it now. Ooh, now since it has a good crust, let's put in the cinnamon sugar. Flip it over. Boom. Now let's add the whipped cream on top. Alright. Let's add some strawberries. And both of them. And let's do the same thing with the other one. Now let's add some strawberries. Beautiful. The reason why the whipped cream goes first on top is because if you put it on the bottom, it's not gonna look like, it's just gonna look like French toast and whipped cream. But when you put whipped cream on, when you put the whipped cream first and then the strawberries and honey and sugar and stuff like that, it looks more appetizing to eat. Now I'm gonna try my French toast. Get a strawberry. That is simply divine. That's so delicious.
All right, now for me to have a try. All right. Delicious. And the thing about it is, you don't even need syrup on this thing because the cinnamon sugar that we coated that with makes it so that it gives you your sweetness and gives it a cinnamon flair to it. So you got the strawberries, the sweetness from the strawberries, you got the cinnamon sugar and the whipped cream and the French toast all sort of combined. Makes it really delicious. So, this is Cooking with Stephanos. And please make sure you like and subscribe. Please make sure you like and subscribe the video.
And make sure to leave a comment down below.